I'm from that other side of the fence. Ma'am, I couldn't bear watching my children asking me for food when I couldn't provide.
I think I left some food from yesterday. Let me just go check it out.
Okay, okay.
Namdani ngenayo lelinye indlela yokwenza. Beyiplan yethu le. Basihlukumeza inhliziyo zabo bangenzanga nto. Aba bangenatyala. Njengoba nomakazi bami bapanishile into engayazi.
Yes. Intoni ngole ndiyiva bafuna ukuboleka uThembeka. Ngoku ndasukithile. Mavis, ayoplan yethu leyo. Ayoplan yethu leyo. Jonga ntombazana. Sokulinge undenzele lo nto. Uyabazi usisi umthanda kanjani Thembeka?
I mean this.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is this?
Amanda, I'm not who you think I am.
What?
I'm only here for one thing, to take back what's mine.
You came here.
I came to claim back my house.
Now Xhosa ndoni nanefone now that niyazi nyana.
Tell me worry njengale nto
We might lose everything man Demet.
Kaloku neyami ifemeli andithi yaluza everything ngoku yeyakho mayiluze.
Mpilo.
Wadlula intombazana eyidabulisha. Wena ubukele. Ungakwazi uyinceda. Ucinga intoba iminyaka emingaka. Lo muntu efila kanjani?
Wena ithuba linganani yazi lento?
I didn't want to come here, but a situation forced me to be here. You know, before I came here, I prayed to God and said, God, please help her understand why I chose to approach her and not the others. You see, Ahmad, you are a very, very sweet person. That's why I'm here to tell you that this house is as yours as much as it is mine.
You're speaking in riddles.
I'm not speaking in riddles. I'm just merely informing you that I'm here to negotiate terms with you regarding this house.
Hold it right there. First of all, you're speaking in riddles. You're not even living anymore.
Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes and tell me that I don't resemble someone you once knew. Look into my eyes and tell me that I don't resemble someone that you once loved wholeheartedly. Oh, wow. Beautiful kitchen. Quite impressive, really.
Leave right now, I'll stab you with this knife.
Girlie, we both know you don't have the guts to do that.
Oh, you know me.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that you were a knife-wielding woman. Who taught you to do that? Your brothers?
What do you know about my brothers?
Girlie, I know everything about you. And this, we can do this the whole day. Wow, let's do this.
Yeah, I'll kill you.
As promise, you're going to stop what you're doing, okay?
I'll stop.
Do you promise?
I promise.
As I was saying, this is gonna be a long day. Amanda! Amanda! Amanda, I just need to talk to you. Amanda!
going to kill you. I've called the police and they're on their way. I'm not leaving this house because of you.
No, you won't kill me.
I will.
Well, that wouldn't work out.
Won't I?
Can I please pass through?
No, you're not going anywhere. I'm still talking to you.
Amanda, can I ask you something? Would you kill your brother? Your brother that you haven't seen in years?
What?
That's exactly what I've been trying to tell you.
Hayi, ntoni ngoku? Utheni ngoku? Mna nomthula fa. Sitya. Hayi man, Nolwazi, kwayeka umntana. Xalela into oyenza.
Siswe.
Khawuthethe Nolwazi uba uyinyoka.
Sofuna ndithethe siswe.
Yey, khawuthethe.
Siswe.
Xalela.
Okay. Khona enye into endifuna ukuxelela yona. Kokubulele. Izolo. Ndikusanisa amaphepha.
Yintoni?
Ngesitransfera yonke into yakho.
Asoze.
True. Mavis. Injalo bhuti. Moto yakho, indlu yakho, imali yakho zizawuvela apha kumzonke. Bendikuxelele ndathi le nto ayisoze iphelele nje. Ufanele ubhatale.
Uyinyoka Nolwazi.
Ndiyacela siswe. Ndiyacela. Bendingafuni yenza yonke le nto. I promise you. If ungathiwa manditshitshise into ndingayitshintsha yonke le nto niyenzileyo. Tshintsha ntoni? Yintoni na wena? Umntwana ntoni? Bebengicela undixolele. Ndiyacela.
Yes, sis.
How do you like it?
That's it. I need to clear my head. It's not going to be up, man. Come on, baby.
Oh.
Sam.
Mavis, singayijika yonke. Uyabona sisi ubunjani? Jika lo. Akho ndizawuphinda ijike apha. Mavis, jonga sisi uyaphinda ijike apha. Yo.
This is too good to be true. How do I know you're not one of the core men that are trying to steal what I have?
Amanda, when I asked you about resemblance, didn't you notice anything familiar?
Yes, I did. You look like Mom. But I didn't want to believe it.
Then how can you not admit it? When I've already told you a story that you've also confirmed. Amanda, the absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence. I'm the real Lomo here. I'm the real clan member of the Lomo who is undiluted.
So, weren't you dead?
Yes, I was sacrificed so that you may live a better life.
Who did they bury?
You know, the last time I saw my mom, she had sent me to a cliff to collect some firewood. Before I knew it, 3 men had approached me. In the blink of an eye, they attacked me, and then I blacked out. And the next thing I knew, I woke up in a cave. In a cave next to a lion. When I saw the lion, I screamed. But then a voice said to me, "Don't be afraid. You were brought here to be protected. Your mother's ancestors and us had a disagreement. Hence you had to be brought here to be protected. While we dealt with those 3 men who killed you, I couldn't believe this. It was like a movie. I'm in a dream. I was speaking to dead people. And they are the one who taught me to fight and defend myself against what's about to come.
What's about to come?
Your siblings. In fact, our siblings are going to face another war. A war that will bring wrath upon this family.
What? What did they do?
My ancestors wouldn't reveal it to me. They told me that I had to find this out by myself. And then they let me go. But from what I can tell, this is about something that Xhosa had done. And I somehow was also involved. But you need not worry about this coming to you. You are neither a Kwat, nor are you at law, so you are safe.
Ubusizwe.
You are young. Uhlale phansi mfana nje.
Emani ubusizwe.
Yho, wathi uzonishaya. Hlala phansi.
We, yisu usizwe. Sisime.
Jonke mamela. Wazi uphinde ungibuze usizwe mina. Ayiseyondlu yakhe le.
Emani what do you mean by indlu kabhuti lena wena? Kukwasizwe lapha.
Akho kwasizwe ke ngoku apha. Bhuti wakho bhadele izono zenu.
What does this thing has to do with me when Sisime? Eh?
Jonke mamela. Andinayo into enexoxa nawe. And uyayazi into yoba ulilungu lale family.
Yazi. Ungisathana wena. All these years. 2 years nompilo. Sihleli kunye. Kanti you playing this against him na? You knew uba lento izakwenzeka kum?
Vukani, bengekafika ixesha lawo mandikuxelele le nto.
What do you mean ngexesha wena? What do you mean ngexesha? Oh. Ye wavuma wena. Ndakwenzisa zonke endikwenzisa zona. Ulala namanye amadoda. Thengisa ngomzimba. Uyandithanda. 2 years. Kanti ndingutamnci wakho.
Anathetha loo nto wena. Andithi le nto uyenza kum uyenza ngoba uyayithanda. Idivisa kamnandi wena. Benyanzelekile mna kaloku ndivume yonke into ethi mandiyenze. Ngoba kaloku ndiyayazi uba biyipati epleni.
Wena Sisime.
Sisime kuwe. Nonqaba.
Nonqaba.
Sisi nonqaba.
Nonqaba. After all these years. Sikunceda bekhaya. Uyifamily kuthi. Sikwenzela yonke into meyi. Osijikela ngoku.
Family. Wazini wena ngefamily? Univisa ubuhlungu? Is that a part of family? Ngathi ngokhola futhi.
Fowunela bani wena?
Thula.
Cinga uba uzofonela amapolisa. Hayi Vukani ndikwazi ngcono kunoku. Umunca hlobo uba wena ngangofonela amapolisa. Emva koko uzophinda la mapolisa xa ufika ufake ii-brothers zakho engxakini. Ngoba amapolisa awazi uza kuthi azafuna.
You have to make this call.
So I was just talking to my brother, and he says he's coming back.
Vukani or Xhosa?
Vukani.
You know, I so wish you could take me to Xhosa because this dilemma lies with him. I need to speak with him so that we can sort this whole issue out.
Ever since Mom died, me and Suzu never spoke. I don't know why he hates me. And that's why I had to become independent.
Well, I'm afraid there's news for you as well.
Please don't tell me they hate me too.
Well, it's something much more than that. You see, the ancestors won't acknowledge you as neither a Mbam, a Kwati, nor a Law.
I don't care about that. I believe in God.
Well, you should care. They won't let your mother into heaven because she is fighting for you. They are angry with her because they feel that instead of giving you the house, she should have given it to her rightful heir.
Is that why you're here?
Well, at first, yes. I wanted to come here and claim what's mine. My house. But now not anymore. I'm now here to fix this catastrophe. And make sure that everything is as it should be.
What is it that could not wait until Ngomso sis?
There's someone you need to meet.
Balo.
Promise me you'll behave.
Hey, whatever sis man ngubani. Hayi mana kaphili lo muntu. Sisi lo muntu samngcwaba lona. I remember nanimncinci kodwa lo muntu ndambona eboxing yakhe lo muntu sisi. Sizotshoneliwe lo muntu. This can't be Thomas sis.
Listen to me. Listen to me. We have matters to solve. So you need to calm down. Listen to me.
I won't forget down lapha.
Listen to me. Okay, now that things have been solved, can you sit down?
Me now. Paul, me now. Wawuneminyaka elishumi kuphela gqibela kwami ukubona. This must have been around 20 years back. I know it's hard to believe, but she suggested that sibize wena kuqala sizoxelela lento phambi koba sibize usizo. Yabona into eyenzekayo 20 years ago, I raped a woman from our village. Ndathi xa ndiphinda ndimbona lo mfazi ndabaleka ndabe ndihamba noSizwe. She stabbed uSizwe in the stomach, but luckily uSizwe survived. Emveni koba uSizwe buyile esibhedlele pholile amanxiba akhe, we went on a searching for this woman, but we heard that she had fled to Cape Town. That is when we tortured her sisters. Everyone in the village knew it was us. But you know, we were an untouchable family. So we were never arrested for this. We were never punished because we were a powerful family.
Ndiyalazi liba lithetha ngalo. Sange ndilikholelwe. Kodwa ikhona into ufuna niyazi. Ndokwethu, you have a daughter, and I'm dating her.
What? You mean no pillow?
I know about that. Izinyanya sengibonisile ngendlela yazo. Loo nto ke ndisithi I need both uSizwe noNompilo here so that we can discuss this issue. I mean, as a matter of urgency, a lot of people are going to die.